Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on a website. Playing this popular social deduction game directly in your web browser offers incredible convenience. You can jump into a game with friends or strangers without needing to download any software. It's a fantastic way to experience the fun of identifying imposters or sabotaging as one, all from your preferred internet browser. Get ready to explore the spaceship. To begin, you will need to find a suitable website. A quick search for Among Us Online or Among Us browser game should yield several options. It is important to choose a reputable site, often fan-made, to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Always check for a secure connection before entering any information. These web versions aim to replicate the core game mechanics closely. Once you are in a game, the core gameplay remains familiar. You can join an existing public game or set up a private lobby for your friends. As a crewmate, your goal is to complete various tasks around the map and identify the imposters. If you are an imposter, your mission is to sabotage and eliminate crewmates without being discovered. Emergency meetings are crucial for discussion and voting. To enhance your online Among Us experience, remember a few key tips. Clear and concise communication during meetings is vital for crewmates to share information. Pay close attention to other players' movements and how they interact with tasks. Strategic voting is essential to either eliminate an imposter or avoid ejecting an innocent crewmate. Most importantly, have fun with the thrilling social deduction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.